Hey everyone, this is going to be the video of the Southern Breeze Fairwind ceiling fan. This was installed in the guest bedroom, and I've tested it out before, and it only has one speed, and it's on low. The capacitor is really bad on this one. And this is probably the worst fan in the house. It hums a lot, it's really wobbly, the blades are all scratched up, one of the blades are bent. Is this one right here, and it only has one speed, which is low speed. The speed control must be messed up, but yeah, and it also doesn't run very fast. Anyways, here it goes. There's the top, the other side's a plain brown, and there's cane on this side. So this is going to be a really short video. And that is the only speed it has. Thanks for watching. Bye.